Apex Trader Funding Review. Is it legit? So Apex Trader Funding is one of the largest futures prop trading firms, founded in 2008, and it's based in United States. It offers traders the ability to trade futures contracts with firm capital after passing an evaluation. Apex is known for its frequent discount promotions, affordable evaluations, and access to NinjaTrader, Rhythmic, and TradeBit platforms. So it has become a popular choice among future traders. So its pros is it offers low-cost evaluations, which is around 80 to 90% discount promotions. It also has a high payout ratio, which is up to 90%. They also have no time limits or limited timeout or payout limit. They can have traders pass evaluations at their own pace. They also offer futures markets access, which is a wide range of futures contracts, including indices, commodities, metals, and more. And they have a scaling plan, which allows up to a larger account. And lastly, they have a strong reputation. However, there are some cons to consider. Apex Trader Funding are only having a futures trading, so it does not offer forex, stocks, or crypto trading. They also have some evaluation challenges, which can be strict, and the platform has a lot of limitations compared to other platforms. So in conclusion, Apex Trader Funding is legit and reliable platform, especially for futures traders. So it's not a scam, it is a legit platform.